Today's businesses need to make every minute count. We no longer have the luxury of single job descriptions. Everyone is wearing multiple hats. So it's important to have a simple yet efficient post-press workflow. In the graphic finishing world, this often means managing the laminating, trimming, and stacking of thousands of menus, certificates, posters, maps, and book covers, all without assistance. GBC recognizes the pressure of today's deadlines and introduces productivity to the power of three, the three-piece 5031 two-sided laminating system. Imagine stacking hundreds of prints into a feeder, setting the controls, and letting the equipment feed, laminate, trim, and stack finished output. No need to imagine. This is the total system you've been waiting for. The total GBC 5031 laminating system is made up of three separate units: the feeder, the laminator, and the cutter. When combined, they form a system that eliminates the need for hand feeding, hand trimming, stacking, and counting completed work. From feeder to stacker and all points along the way, the 5031's seamless operation delivers maximum productivity and dramatically increases the output of a single operator. What's more, it's UL listed in the US and Canada for safe operation, offering strategically placed emergency stops and interlocks throughout the system. GBC understands heavy workloads and has equipped the 5031 feeder to do the job. Engineered expressly for the 5031 laminator, it easily handles paper stocks from 20-pound bond to 24-point cover in a wide range of sheet sizes, from 8.5 by 11 to 30 by 38 inches. Since the feeder accommodates stacks of printed material up to 15 3/4 inches high, the operator saves time in replenishing the prints. Yet even with bulk input, alignment with the laminator is easily managed thanks to adjustable side guides and a pile height sensor that monitors the paper height as the stack is depleted. Using the conveniently located feeder controls and LCD display, the operator can set sheet length and gap in 1/32 inch intervals to accommodate a wide range of standard and non-standard sizes. To ensure the accurate feeding of each sheet, an adjustable air blast provides optimum sheet separation as the paper leaves the stack. A manifold-style feed head picks up each sheet and delivers suction evenly across the width of the paper, while the primary feed tires move the paper straight along the side guides into the laminator. Both feed head and feed tires can be adjusted easily on the fly. For further paper control when using heavier stock, two additional in-feed tires help move the paper forward. And when running lighter stock, the in-feed tires can be removed and replaced easily with an innovative marble rack that accurately feeds lighter weight paper without leaving wrinkles. To automatically track progress, a sheet feed counter provides accurate real-time job status. Smooth operation requires a straight path and a smooth transition into the laminator. Positive latching brackets provide precise alignment of the feeder with the laminator during operation. And when loading film, the feeder swings easily out of the way to give the operator access to the lower film rolls. The feeder base also holds a tray for the air pump. Once the film is loaded, the feeder swings back and locks into place. Even as a standalone unit, the 5031 TS laminator is loaded with features that save time, increase output, and protect the operator. At the heart of its productivity is its combination heat shoe and heated roller design. Heat sensors monitor and adjust heat according to the settings selected through the control panel. The film is preheated by the heat shoes before going through the heated nip rollers to ensure proper adhesion even at higher speeds. This is especially important with thicker films. And speaking of throughput, the system will operate at speeds to 35 feet per minute while running 1.7 mil film. Because it holds film rolls up to 10 inches in diameter, the 5031 minimizes downtime by reducing the frequency of film loading. For best results, always use GBC films. The pressure of the 5031 heated rollers enables the use of high-tack polyester film for output that's high in fuser oil content, like Xerox DocuColor prints. NapLam 2 is an excellent choice for color offset prints. For operator safety, the 5031 Laminator features 2 emergency stops and a removable interlocking safety shield that encloses the heat shoes for safe operation. Speed and temperature are easy to set using the convenient control panel and display. Job setups with commonly used parameters can even be saved in memory to streamline future setups and ensure consistency from operator to operator. After passing through the heat rollers, laminated prints move across a large cooling deck to ensure flat output. For added time savings, side slitters are utilized to trim excess film from the sides of the print. When running prints 2 up, a third slitter may also be positioned between the 2 documents to separate them in line. The excess edge scrap is wound automatically onto rewinds to provide a neat work environment and to prevent possible jams in the rollers. Now your prints are ready for final trimming, but this time you won't have to move them to a different location. The 5031 cutter attaches directly to the laminator for effortless automatic trimming. Before starting each job, the operator sets parameters from the control panel in 1/32 inch increments for trimming the leading and trailing edges of each document. To maintain alignment, steel tie bars secure the cutter to the laminator. As the print reaches the cutting threshold, a large rotary blade moves smoothly across the film, trimming each document to a clean edge. Even flush cuts are possible with the 5031 cutter. For operator safety, the blade will not engage unless the interlocking safety shield is in place. After cutting, a short air blast floats each sheet onto the output tray, while scrap is caught in the catch basket below. As a final step, each laminated document is counted and reported on the LCD display to provide accurate job details to the operator. So there you have it, a great new way to increase your productivity. How much faster could you turn work around? How much more business could you handle with the 5031 Laminating System's 3 powerful units? Let's review again how it works. Load the film, stack the paper, set the feeder controls, set the laminator controls, set the cutter controls, and go. You can count on GBC rugged reliability. Backed by the GBC nationwide network of service technicians, it won't let you down when deadlines are tight. Streamline your workflow without sacrificing the output quality you've come to expect from GBC. The rugged, dependable design of the 5031 Laminating System delivers speed and accuracy down to the last precision cut. Turn those labor-intensive nightmares into dream jobs. Build the bottom line by doing the work of 2 or more people with just one system. Productivity, profitability, and performance to the power of 3. Make every minute count with the 5031 Total Laminating System from GBC.